I usually don't share this, but this hidden multi-account discount saves you serious money. With Streamline Pro, you can manage 6 client video accounts from one dashboard, transforming your workflow without any extra help. Before BIGVU, I was jumping between tools, losing track of revisions and missing posting deadlines. It was a mess. Now everything lives in one place. Each client has their own space with role-based access, so they can log in, review, and approve without flooding my inbox. I schedule posts to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn directly from the platform. No third-party scheduler, no copy-pasting links. I also track views, clicks, and conversions across all accounts in real time. That's data I actually show clients to prove results. And the AI keeps each brand style consistent. Fonts, colors, templates, without me micromanaging every single video. 6 accounts used to feel like 60. Now it feels manageable. If you're running content for multiple clients, you need to see BIGVU in action. Click the link below to get a demo.